Achoo! Oh man, I must be allergic to awesome cartoons, because guess what show's about to start?
The Amazing Spider-Man! Marvel Mashup!
Achoo! Yep, I'm allergic.
Everybody run! The new smartphone just went on sale!
Out of my way!
I will not be last in line again this year, kids, so if you fall behind, good luck finding a new home.
Hey, why is everybody freaking out? They release a new phone like every month. It comes in red and blue. Really? Oh, they got me again. See you there, slowpokes. Excuse me, do you have anything for a runny nose?
I've heard of barking spiders, but sneezing spiders? That's a new one. Whoops!
Ugh, that smells terrible.
I didn't think that was gonna make any noise.
It's not the noise, it's the smell. Ah, it's in my suit. Great night for a swim.
Oh, taking a little swim, are we, Spider-Man?
Huh? Oh, hey, officer. It's not what it looks like.
Don't worry about it, Spider-Man. I'm not gonna give you a ticket.
Oh, thanks.
But say, you think I could draw you?
Draw me?
Yeah, I'm taking an art class downtown. Sort of a passion of mine. All I need for you is to strike a pose for a couple of hours whilst I draw you.
That's kind of a long time, don't you think?
You want a ticket? Or are you gonna let me draw you?
Fine, you can draw me.
Please, somebody help me!
Oh, sorry, officer, but duty calls. You should go ask the Incredible Hulk.
I don't know if I have that much green.
What is it, Doc?
Well, as you can see by this x-ray, the head bone is connected to the neck bone.
Neck bone, yeah.
And the neck bone is clearly connected to the backbone.
Okay.
But what are all these rib-type things sticking out of here?
Those are ribs, Doc.
Interesting. They were never in the song. I don't know how to break this to you, Spider-Man, but you have ribs.
You're not a real doctor, are you?
No. I'm the janitor.
The Amazing Spider-Man!